We will be replacing the stock halogen brake light bulb in this 2015 Harley Road King with an all-new LED bulb from Ayla Lighting. The only tool needed for this installation is a Phillips head screwdriver. Starting at the taillight, there are 2 screws on the sides we will have to take out. You can then remove the taillight housing. You can see the bulb plugged in. To remove the socket, turn it counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. Remove the bulb by pulling it straight out of the socket. You may have to wiggle it a bit. Just to note, this socket has 2 terminals that are connected, so this is a standard 3157 socket. The 3157 bulb from Ayla Lighting we are installing will fit both a standard and CK socket. And if we compare the new LED to the halogen, you can see they have the exact same base, making for an easy plug-and-play installation. To install the new LED, you will first push the bulb into the socket. To install the socket back into the housing, be sure to line up the small tab on the socket with the small slot on the housing. And turn it clockwise to lock it. We recommend testing everything before putting it back together. Replace the taillight housing by sliding it back in, bottom side first. Replace the 2 screws you had removed, and we are done. Check out the standard halogen compared to the strobe LED light. The LED is clearly more visible and just what you need for your motorcycle.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.